In this video, we're going to take a closer look at phase filters and how they work. So one thing that we used to be able to do in Revit was make existing walls shaded. When you set the phase to phase 2 and phase filter to show complete, well, what really happens when that's done? So we'll look at show complete as compared to show previous plus new. You'll notice existing is overridden for show previous plus new, where it's just by category for show complete. So when I change it to show previous plus new, we see that things graphically changed on the screen. Well, what does overridden mean? We go to the phasing dialog and graphic overrides, and we can see this row here called existing. Whatever's been edited there is what affects the view on the screen. You can see I just tried to change the existing walls to shaded. If the discipline is set to architectural, it works. But if it's set to one of the MEP disciplines, it doesn't work. This used to work in the past so that the MEP models could match the architectural models. All the existing walls would be shaded. So that doesn't really work anymore. The only thing that you can really do to get close is to add a crosshatch to existing walls, as shown here. But you can't have solid shaded existing walls, as the MEP discipline setting precludes that solid shade existing phase filter from being applied. So you could make the crosshatch more dense to get closer to simulating a solid fill. So here I made a custom fill, but unfortunately, as you can see, the pattern when it gets too dense then doesn't show up. So there's some limitations, but this video will give you a good understanding of how phase filters work, and then their overrides, and then some of the limitations when it comes to MEP disciplined views.